Omo, it's like time don reach to protest o.
Protest wetin?
We need new striker na. Which one Højlund dey do like this? We suppose don beat Arsenal.
Calm down, im go improve.
How? My guy don dey technically defend for our opponent. For 20 plus matches, this guy never score goal. Him and defender, wetin be the difference?
No dey talk about me for my back. If you get problem, talk am for my front.
I get problem with you. I don talk am for your front.
Oya abeg Maguire, be calming down.
I should be calming down? Dem buy this guy for 75 million. Money wey dem suppose share for Nigerian youth.
No dey talk about me like that. No be you buy me. You no get right to judge my performance.
You no get right to wear that jersey. Dem no even suppose pay you salary until you score goal.
Maguire no dey talk like that now.
No be goal dem buy am to score. 23 games, this fraud never score goal.
I swear, me and you go get serious problem for this club.
Me and you don already get serious problem. We dey suffer defend back. You dey low-key tactically defend for opponents. Dey chop all the balls wey dem dey feed you. Your village people swear for you.
Wallahi, I go punch your mouth o. You don dey talk wetin go vex me o.
Come punch my mouth na. Make I no beat goal comot for your body. That is if you get any goal for your body sef.
Garnacho tell me wetin happen between two of una last week. It's like you like fight pass your mama.
I like to fight for my club and I go fight you if you try rubbish.
No be me you go fight. Oshe Bairo fighter.
Come talk am for my front, idiot. Bruno, wetin be Bairo fighter?
You no do biology for school?
Cool baby. I no know say you sabi tear shot like that o. You just dash me assist so I no expect.
Abeg leave me joor. I swear me sef a shock. Game wey been dey hard to score goal. Even Palmer sef miss PK.
Omo, forget o. As ice cold miss that PK, fear catch me. The guy dey worry me nowadays. E don tey wey him score goal. Something dey happen with am. Na the first time him don miss PK.
Make I dey play the PKs until him resolve him issues na.
It's like your head dey touch pa.
Which one be your own? I dey try see whether I go help the club.
Oga no help anything. Even if ice cold carry only one leg come play ball, na him go still play PK.
Okay na.
Cool. Which one I go buy for you na? Abi make I carry you go saloon, make them give you better hair treatment. You deserve am. Your papa job.
My people, 1xBet no dey tire to surprise person. They don come again with another unique feature. This time, if you dey play game, e dey safer and even more enjoyable because of the new cash out feature. Just imagine say you dey play game online now. You come feel say it's like this thing no go enter o. You no even need worry. You fit cash out your game either in full or part and you go get your money back sharp. To do am ba, just find the cash out feature for the menu by entering your account, then your history or recent bets. Finish. If you never register, use our promo code GNEXT to get 300% bonus for your first deposit. Don't forget to read their rules and regulations o. Thank you.
Palmer, sir? You never tell me wetin dey worry you. I wan help you.
Sir, I dey fine. Nothing dey worry me.
When last you score goal or assist?
Sir, I don forget sir.
You see, something dey worry you. Why you no wan tell me? I wan help you so that you go help us. Season don dey finish and we need to finish top 4. Your girlfriend cheat on you?
No sir.
You even get girlfriend?
Yes sir.
Thank God. Okay, na Jackson wey you dey miss wey make you no dey play well?
No be Jackson sir.
Because I don notice since wey Jackson go injury, you never really perform well.
Coach, I dey okay. I no know why you dey worry.
When last you do ice bath? Because I don notice say heat dey catch you nowadays.
Coach, heat no dey do me. Na just small form issue.
Na him I dey ask you na. Wetin be that small form issue? Because we need to resolve am. We dey play Arsenal on Sunday and our push for top 4 need to continue.
Coach, don't worry, I go turn up for that match.
You sure?
Yes sir.
Abeg, even if you need to sleep for Sub-Zero freezer for 3 days, do am. We need you chilled and ice cold for Arsenal.
Coach, I no get Sub-Zero freezer.
Make we buy am for you.
Coach, na, why they do like this?
Okay. Sorry, we don't miss you. Now why?